Hello everyone, today let's see how to replace the battery of this HP Pavillion laptop. Turn the laptop upside down. We see the screws here, 1, 2 and 3, and they don't appear any screws here, but there will be screws below this one. So let's see. As you see, here there is a screw, stick it here. There are 2 screws here. So now take a mobile phone, smartphone disassembling tool. Just try not to use a metal tool, as it may cause scratches and it may even break the plastic cover. Be gentle, not to break any locks. Okay, this way. Now we see this is the battery. All you need to do is remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now just lift it in this way, pull it. This is the battery. Take the new battery, unbox it from the package. Here you see this model is HT03XL. So now place it here in these grooves and press it. Now fasten these screws which you had removed earlier. Inserting this screw is important because here is the connector, it should not get loose. And here and okay, now take the back cover, bottom cover, place it in this way. Just now locking it all the 4 sides and 4 corners. Just press to lock. The black screws and 6 mm screws are to be fixed at the back side near the hinges, and the small white screws are for front. Never try fixing the black screws in the front. You will break the panel. These screws should be placed inclined and then fastened. Okay. Now, after fastening the screws, take these stickers, place them in this way and press them. If you feel that the stickers are not having so much of adhesion, then you can apply some rubber base adhesive, rubber base glue like Quick Fix, etc., or the glue which I usually use, showing in many of my videos, or the glue which I usually use to fix mobile phone screens, etc., which you can see in many of my videos, and also I will be posting the links in the description. We are done. See, hope this video is going to be helpful for you in replacing the battery of your HP Pavillion laptop. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.